Today we're headed out to a fly-in event called Airplanes and Coffee at Denton Enterprise Airport in Denton, Texas. According to their website at FunPlacesToFly.com, this is a monthly event, usually on the first Saturday of every month, which was established by 3 aviation enthusiasts, Russ Keith, John Noggle, and Mike Roberts. The idea is simple, but an effective way to get people together who love aviation. It's donuts, coffee, fellowship, along with those tall tales about individual aviating adventures. Aircraft owners from all over are invited to bring out their airplanes in one of the largest show and tell events we've seen in a long time. You can find out more by searching on Facebook for Airplanes and Coffee, where you'll find their page and group. Today's event was held at Denton Enterprise Airport, Airport ID KDTO. We visited the airport website and found out that in September 1943, the city of Denton purchased 550 acres on the west side of the city for the construction of an airport. In January 1944, the city joined in a contract with the Civil Aeronautics Authority for the construction of an airport with a CAA ID. During World War II, the airport was used for training activity by the North Texas State College Flying School. The airport was also host to one of the only 7 glider schools in the United States. This airport has many businesses and organizations at its location. There are 2 runways which are parallel to each other, both 1836, with a field elevation of 642 feet MSL. It's a tower-controlled airport and has AWAS. They also have 100 low lead and Jet A fuel. A really nice airport. You can visit their website at DentonAirport.com for more information. Now let's check out the event.
Airplanes and Coffee, out here in Denton, Texas, having a great time.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you and know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love.